All right, we're live. Good day. This is Sunday, February 26, 2023. I apologize. Hindi ako naging active much into sharing what I've been seeing in the markets and for the past 2 weeks. Just been busy. Pero it is what it is. So today going forward, I'll try and keep to my schedule. Once a week, I'm gonna be sharing market recaps and ideas going forward. Um, and we're gonna look at upcoming reports for this week. Uh, doesn't look like there's much that I'm seeing na magiging affected the market. I'm generally looking at US based reports with the red folder from Forex Factory. Wednesday, March 1, there's going to be a PMI report. So it's going to be interesting because number one, this is going to be for a new month. Number two, it's going to be the last month of the first quarter of the year. So what's gonna happen? We're probably gonna have more of a direction for the rest of the year coming into this month. So if it drops, then we're gonna see if it's gonna be foreseen as a bigger drop by whales and institutions. Pero right now, as a retail trader, I'm more interested in what's going on real time. Long term, yes, I can do that. Pero I'm more concerned sa ginagawa ng markets ngayon, which is for crypto. So starting with Ethereum, this is a market that's basing. Okay, this is basing, this is consolidation. Wala siyang ginagawa. It's choppy, so you're gonna get caught in the middle if you're not aware that it is in the middle of a range. Ngayon, ang kailangan ko makita, I would prefer for it to drop below 1354.40 or actually break this supply area and close above 1788.98. Ang problema lang doon is meron pa ako nakikitang isa pang supply area which is 1820.11. This is more of an aggressive stop kasi the full stop is up to 1957.70. That's a problem area for anyone who's buying this. Pero if you're shorting this in those areas, sure, you can probably get into profit. I'm more interested for it to drop at 1354.40 and hold the price not close below 1177.50 for a chance of a breakout play ng uptrend ni Ethereum. If you have tuned in to this channel, if you have tuned in to the guidance na sinasabi ko, I have mentioned that Ethereum has the better buying opportunity out of the three that I always watch, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and BNB. The reason behind that is the uptrend for Ethereum as of June. Okay? So it tested its uptrend. Now it has the chance to break out of this uptrend. Ang kailangan niya lang is to keep the immediate trend going and actually blow through the supply areas. If it does that, then we have a better buying opportunity for Ethereum. Now, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is more choppy than I like. And again, I like this to drop below 18,400. Okay? To those people na hindi nakikita ng 18,400 area, that's fine. Kasi at this same time, okay, at this same time, Bitcoin has been doing an uptrend. And it has been honoring this uptrend. So, what can we expect for Bitcoin? For Bitcoin, I'm expecting for it to test at some point the price above 26,631. Okay? If it does that, then it's confirming this mini uptrend and it would turn me into a better buyer or a better sense of buying for BTC. Right now, a good area or a sweet spot to buy for BTC would be 22080.9. Anything above that for me is more of a short-term play. This is more of a long-term play. If this holds, then I'm expecting Bitcoin to actually go up above 25,500 at least. That's honoring the uptrend that's forming. So my strategy, if you're still not aware, is price action with emphasis on trend. Now, BNB. So BNB, I loved BNB. The reason behind that is it's less cost kesa sa BTC and Ethereum. Okay, that's the easier way to put it. Pero right now, BNB is not giving me much more of a guidance kesa sa Ethereum and BTC. So this is more choppy for me. BNB range, it's playing between 282.38 and 338.18. So if I'm a buyer for BNB, I'm good to buy at 278.65 and again at 260.90. So yung lower prices ang breaking point ng mga buying ideas na to. If it closes below that, then just don't hold on to it. Or that's for my personal opinion. If you want to hold on to it, go ahead. Pero for me, that's it. That's a breaking point of this idea. Buying at 278.65 and getting out knowing that I'm wrong at 270.07 if it closes below that. And again at 260.90, same idea. I'm wrong if it closes below 253.95. Now, I would like for this to blow through this. Okay. I would like for this to blow through 399.91. That's a bullish sentiment for BNB, and that actually forms a strong uptrend for BNB because BNB BNB actually broke or at least breached yung downtrend price niya at 338.18. Sorry, 336.90. So I've been mentioning that price before over and over again, pero at the end of the day it did fail to actually close above that. So weekly time frame, so daily time frame, it closed a little above that and then wick through and then trigger the trap na sobrang lakas. All right, that's for crypto. Now I'll go over some currencies sa Forex. So Forex, no change in sentiment for Forex. I want it, Euro USD, I want it below 1.00938. So I mentioned that there's a milli uptrend that's forming. This is actually the sweet spot right now for the uptrend for Euro USD. So right now I could see a reversal from this area. Pero again, I'm not in a rush with the markets. There's a lot of markets that we can trade intraday and long term. So I'm not in a rush. I want my preferred areas to be triggered intraday. So if I'm showing you an intraday trade, I'm more interested. As I said, this is a sweet spot. I'm interested in buying this Euro USD at 1.05160. I'm wrong if it closes below 1.04833. So ano yung sinasabi ko? Why am I emphasizing that I'm wrong in scenarios? Because you have to have an entry strategy, right? If you're trading the markets, you have to have an entry strategy. At the same time, you have to know what your exit strategy is. Is it going to hit your target or is it going to hit your breakpoint or stop loss? So you know those two things or three things, and you'll be okay. Just guide yourself as much as you can. Use USDJPY. This has strength in buying, but right now it's hitting the supply area. And I'm not going to be surprised if it blows through it because this is more of a better supply area. So for whales and institutions, especially banks too, you're going to make money going up and then going down. So if we can see where it goes down, then we're good. I like this area, 145.171. I'm wrong if it goes above and closes above 147.572. This is just the daily time frame. Again, this is more of a bigger picture. And for the uptrend, what is this? Oh, if it drops, I'm going to be waiting here for the second option. First option would be here. So malalaki tong area na to. I'm not fond of big areas, so I'll probably probe into it and go into the lower into the lower time frame areas. 1 hour time frame, 15 minutes, even 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute. So GBPUSD, nothing for GBPUSD. It's still in the range, trying to break lower. I like it below 1.16457. So that's my buying idea for GBPUSD. Then stocks. Okay, I'm just going to show the future side of stocks for the U.S. markets. This is the Dow Jones Industrial. So this is one of the oldest equity indexes for the stock markets, the U.S. Um, it's been showing strength, but right now it's been showing weakness. And that's fine because it needs to test some areas. Ibig sabihin lang nun, buyers are not happy that the price is high, so they want it lower. So what are they doing? Either they're holding or they're selling. Or there's a market mover that's actually making this play. It's gonna drop. Okay, it's gonna drop. I wanna see it drop. 32273. That's the first area buy, and I'm wrong if it closes below 31738. And the second area, this is more of the area that I'm waiting for, 30877. I'm wrong if it closes below 30102. Bakit ko sinasabi na I want a drop? Because I'm a retail trader. I want to buy low and sell high. All right, Nasdaq. That already triggered my buy, so I need to watch my portfolio to see what's going on. Pero Nasdaq is more aggressive of a play. The reason behind that is it hasn't breached a pivotal high right now. A pivotal high here, here, and here. So three areas of selling. It hasn't broken, um, and really it's on a daily uptrend. Pero bigger picture, it did go down. So the bigger picture downtrend breaks at 13,740.75. Ibig sabihin sa mga tech stocks, tech heavy stock ang Nasdaq, there's potential for a drop. And I'm excited for that. I'm excited for that. It doesn't mean that I'm shorting this. It just means that I'm willing to actually buy stocks long term on a lower price. And that's what it is. Uh, S&P 500. S&P 500 just touched and actually wicked up after touching a demand zone. So supply area is up here for the daily time frame. We have room. Um, this actually is on a healthy uptrend from what I'm seeing. Okay, this is more of a healthy uptrend. So what do I want to see for S&P 500? I want to see S&P 500 close stronger above 4180. If it can do that, then we're good to actually average up if you have anything as far as stocks, or just wait and see. Hold your positions and move your stop losses para walang losses sa capital. This is gold. Gold, I've been waiting for a drop at 1773.4. So that's a gap that it needs to fill. And it's doing that right now. It touched a supply area. See, medyo pareha sila ng S&P 500. If it drops and drops, it continues to drop, then I'm good to actually buy here and here again at 1685.6. So anyone interested in crude oil this time around, crude is just ranging. So sideways, hitting this supply and then again bouncing up, hitting this buy area right here. Until it does give us more of a better guidance, I'm more interested to short this if it breaches and goes above this area. So in a lower time frame, I'll probably probe this. 2 hour time frame, inside this area, there's some beautiful sell zone in that area. 2 hour time frame, again, it's really this is making me greedy. So beautiful buying areas at a lower time frame, 2 hour time frame, and most likely there's going to be more in a 15-minute time frame. Pero that's it. I'm not gonna extend this. I'm not gonna prolong this. Again, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, this is a free guidance video that I'm creating. My name is Brian. I'm one of the coaches of the Hunters Group. If you have any questions about pricing for mentoring and guiding, uh, go ahead and message yung mga admins namin. It's Coach Kat and Coach Ken. If you have any markets that you want to see, for the next video, go ahead and add a comment, and I'll look at them for the next video. Thank you very much for tuning in. Have a great day. Green trades.